The name is Amir from Llanelli, and I've been waiting now to have a hip operation, which I've just had last Wednesday. It was waiting just over a year it was actually. Everything went well, and they made you feel very comfortable when you're in and ready to go into theatre, ready for your operation.
I'm here in Prince Philip today on Ward 6, just meeting the team, seeing what they've been doing, particularly over the last year around our waiting times for planned surgery. People will know that we've had a real problem as a health board with patients waiting too long for our services, and this year we hit a really important milestone through the hard work of the teams here and across the health board and support from Welsh Government. We have for the first time been able to reduce the number of people waiting more than 36 weeks for our services to zero. Just 3 years ago that was at 7,000 patients all waiting too long for their care.
At the moment a lot of the patients are being seen and operated on in an extremely short period of time. We're very efficient at the moment. I think we've got no bed issues as we've had over the winter periods in the last number of years, and the last financial year has been very good to us in that respect. So times have reduced considerably, and that's why I think we've achieved our targets.
This is about celebrating that milestone, recognising it's a work in progress, that we're still ambitious to go even further than that, but also just to say a huge thank you to all of the staff who've contributed to this really quite remarkable achievement.